Welcome along, fellow time travelers. This time around, we are going to walk through the gardens of the Albemarle Estate in Charlottesville, Virginia. Before I begin, please like and share the show and subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell. Now let's begin our journey. In January of 2025, I stayed, for the second time, at the Albemarle Estate at Trump Winery. This is not a political video, just relax. Just happens to be a mansion that President Trump owns. It is a luxurious wine country estate at Virginia's largest vineyard, and it has a 26,000 square foot, 45-room mansion that has been called one of America's true treasures. There will be plenty of other videos that show you the interior of the mansion, but for now, I thought I'd take you on a freezing cold sunrise walk of the gardens. I shot this video at around 7 o'clock in the morning because I wanted to be able to catch the sun rising in the distance. But being the middle of January and kind of cloudy out, there wasn't going to be much to shoot this early in the morning, and so I started walking around the gardens, which are kind of interesting to walk through in the wintertime, though without a doubt they are much more beautiful in the spring and in the summer. I know there have been times when people do not appreciate that I play music during some of my walking tours, so this time around, you're just gonna listen to me walk. You're gonna hear my footsteps, and you're gonna hear my shoes crunching into the ice and walking on the gravel. So it's kind of like an ASMR walking tour. Does that sound like fun? Let's do it and see what happens. Don't worry, you will not hear my teeth chattering, but let me tell you, it was freaking cold. So even though I was freezing while doing this walking tour, you get to watch and listen from the comfort of wherever you are right now, which I hope is someplace nice and warm. Now, let's begin our journey. I hope you're enjoying this relaxing walking tour through these beautiful gardens. Can you please do me a favor and like and share the show and kindly subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell. Remember that this channel is sponsored by campfireshop.com. Kindly check them out and buy candles, herbal supplements, teas, and more. Now let's continue our journey. So, what do you think of the gardens at the Albemarle Estate and Trump Winery in Charlottesville, Virginia? Do you think I'm crazy to be walking out here in this freezing cold? I didn't want to say this earlier, but it's about 7 degrees out. Seriously, it was freaking cold. If you were staying here, would you walk around in 7-degree temperature? Kindly let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Kindly remember to like, share, and subscribe, and hit the notification bell because there will be more walking tours like this one, and I hope you check those out too. Please check out the links below to learn how to support my research and productions. This channel is sponsored by CampfireShop.com, where you can order the highest quality and exclusive candles, herbal supplements, teas, and more. I would also appreciate it if you could become a member of my channel and or join me on Patreon, where you could watch exclusive walk-in tours of cool places that I've been to, and lots of cool photos too. You could also leave a super thanks in the comments below. Kindly be kind to all of our fellow Earthlings and please do not harm them. And do yourself a favor and go to a local shelter and adopt a cat or a dog or both. You and they will be very glad that you did. Until next time, I wish you safe travels on all your journeys.